Meaning of Earth science.
Earth science.
Earth science.
Earth science.
Earth science. Earth science is the study of the physical, chemical, and biological processes that shape the planet Earth. It encompasses a wide range of fields including geology, meteorology, oceanography, and environmental science. Earth scientists use tools such as satellite imagery, computer models, and field observations to understand the Earth's systems and processes. By studying the Earth's history and current conditions, they can unravel the complex interactions between the planet's atmosphere, oceans, land, and life. Ultimately, the goal of Earth science is to help us better understand and manage our planet's natural resources and ecosystems.